Senior BJP legislator A.L. Haq welcomed the decision of the party leadership to make Rickman Momen as the state president of Meghalaya BJP. Talking to reporters, he said it was a long overdue and Momen is a senior party leader and he will contribute immensely for the strengthening of the state BJP. BJP Meghalaya is gearing up for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections.
He is the president of Meghalaya. It may be from any regions in Meghalaya. We have become the president of the BJP state. It's not necessary it has to be from either from only Khasi or only Garo or the Jaintia Hills. Any part of the Meghalaya, anybody can be a president. So it's very nice. It has given to Rickman Momen. He is a very senior party worker. I hope he will be doing a good job to strengthening the party in Meghalaya.
Cabinet Minister and UDP MLA